Hi, good evening students. Today we are going to discuss the topic exponents and power. In this chapter, first we have to consider the factorization of a number. Let us consider the number 8. Then 8 can be factorized into 4 into 2. Then again 8 can be factorized into 4 into 2 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Then next we can considering 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 is multiplied by 3 times, therefore it is denoted by 2 raised to 3. Here 2 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent. Similarly, next we can consider another number. Next we can consider another number 27. 27 can be written as 9 into 3. Then 9 can be factorized into 3 into 3. Therefore, 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to, here 3 can be multiplied by 3 times. Therefore, 3 raised to 3. Here 3 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent. Similarly, we can consider all positive numbers, the exponents with a positive power. We can written like that. And next, we can considering exponents with negative power. Exponents with negative powers. Let us consider the number 100. 100 can be written as 10 into 10, that is equal to 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2. Then next we can considering the number 10. 10 can be written in the form of 100. How can we written? 10 is equal to 100 by 10. That is 10 means 10 raised to 1. Next considering the exponent's power 10 raised to 0. Therefore 10 raised to 0, here 10 raised to 0 can be written in the previous number here 10 raised to 1 equal to 10. Therefore 10 raised to 0 can be written as in the form of 10. 10 by 10. The value will be 1. That is here the exponents is decreased by 1. The value is 1 by 10th of the previous value. 1 by 10th of the previous value. That is, here exponent's power will be decreasing by 1. 10 square first one, second one 10 raised to 1, then third one 10 raised to 0. That is, exponents is decreasing by 1. At the same time, the value is decreasing by 1 by 10th of the previous value. Next, we can considering negative power. That is 10 raised to minus 1. Then that time here 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Next, we can considering 1 by 10th of the previous value. That is what, how can considering? It is 1 by 10. That is previous value here 10 raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, 10 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 10. Next, considering 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 is the previous value, then divided by 10. That is equal to 1 by 10 square. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 by 10 raised to 3. Next, consider another number, 3 cube. 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Then next, considering the exponents decreasing by 2, that is 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9. This 9 can be expressed in terms of 27, that is 27 by 3 is equal to 9. That is the previous number divided by the base 3. Then next we can considering another number, 3 raised to 1, that is the exponents decreasing by 1. 3 raised to 1 equal to 3. Then 3 can be expressed as the previous number, that is now 3 square is equal to 9. Therefore, 3 is equal to 9 by 3. Then next, 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0 is equal to, here the previous value 3 raised to 1 equal to 3. Therefore, next the previous values divided by the base 3, that is equal to 1. That means here we can see that in the negative power, that is the exponents with negative power, 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square, or 10 square is equal to 1 by 10 raised to minus 2. Then 10 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by 10 raised to 3, or 10 raised to 3 equal to 1 by 10 raised to minus 3. Then 3 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 square, or 3 square equal to 1 by 3 raised to minus 2, etc. That means here in general we can say for any non-zero integer a raised to m equal to 1 by a raised to minus m, or a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m, where m is a positive integers, where m is a positive integer. That is, a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m, or a raised to m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to minus m. That means what? That is a raised to minus m into a raised to m equal to 1. Next, consider the multiplicative inverse of the following number. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following number. First question, find the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to minus 4. That is 2 raised to minus 4 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1. That is, here 2 raised to 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to minus 4. Next, find the multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to minus 5. Here, by the previous theorem, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. That is, 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to 1. Here 10 raised to 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to minus 5. Next question. Find the multiplicative inverse of 7 raised to minus 2. 7 raised to minus 2. Here 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 square is equal to 1. That is 7 square is the multiplicative inverse of 7 raised to minus 2. Next 5 raised to minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to 3 equal to 1. That is here 5 raised to 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 5 raised to minus 3.